Thai food is all about the balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy. This is tamarind. It's a fruit with a sticky flesh that can go anywhere from super sour to candy sweet. We use it in all sorts of dishes in Thai cuisine. I absolutely adore this stuff. It's got this sharp acidity, but at the same time, it's well-rounded with a slight sweetness. And the stuff that we use for cooking is usually quite sour. And there you go, tamarind water. And I've just been making some basic Thai staples, and this chili jam is one of them. And it starts out with some shallots and garlic. And check this out. This is galangal. It's a family of the ginger, but it's very, very different. It smells to me like a pine forest after the rain. It's so refreshing. And you can't have chili jam without chilies. And that just has to fry for a few minutes until the shallots and garlic start turning golden brown. Chili jam is just one of those staples we always have in the fridge. We put it in salads, stir fries, and it's just a great sweet, savory flavor boost for anything. Dried shrimp. You can get these at any Asian grocery store, and they're like salty, chewy shrimp flavor bombs. Shrimp paste, super concentrated shrimp flavor. It's gonna add fatty richness, and you can get this at a lot of Asian grocery stores, but if you can't find it, don't worry about it. Palm sugar. This screams Thai cuisine. It's made from the nectar of the sugar palm tree and sweet butterscotchy flavor. Finally, fish sauce. Salty, salty fish sauce. It is like salt with personality. And all I want to do is cook this down just a little bit. And the last step to making this chili jam is to grind it all up. Now, back home in Thailand, we would use a mortar and pestle and do this all by hand, but sometimes it's nice to have a little help. Now, this chili jam is the perfect example of balance of flavors. I've got some salty from the fish sauce, some sweet from the palm sugar, and now, remember that tamarind water I made earlier? Some acid. I wish you could smell this right now. Sweet, salty, savory, just the perfect balance. Now, I put this on toast. You can put it on a burger bun, mix it in a salad. Oh, so many different things you could do. And when you put this in the fridge, it'll keep for months.